Hey guys, and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to automate your Google Docs using Zapier. Now for this tutorial, I will use Zapier and ChatGPT just to make it easier for you to use the Zapier Copilot. Now in this example, I will choose, for example, a Google Docs about a YouTube channel that wants scripts for its historian videos. Now this is just an example for you to understand how Zapier works. So I'll just go over to ChatGPT, go to a new chat, and here I'll ask it to create a prompt for Zapier to automate making Google Docs about, and here just type whatever you want, right? So here I'll just type Google Docs about scripts for historian channel. Of course, you will type the topic that you want to automate. So here I just enter and wait for it to generate for a few seconds. And then I will go back to Zapier. So here, as you can see, I'm on the editor. So I will find the trigger, the action, etc. So you can do it manually, of course, but I will use the Copilot as it's very much easier. So if I go back to ChatGPT here, I'll just go to copy code here and then paste it. And here I will find the introduction, briefly explain the context and significance of the USA history, for example. And here I will use it to create, sorry, I will just delete this and I will ask it to automate uh, the Google Doc, right? Yeah, so I'll just send it and then I will wait for it a few seconds. Okay, so here in the chatbot, you will go back and forth with it to explain your demand a little bit easier for it to be perfectly making your desire. So here, as you can see, I will just go and create a submission on the Zapier interface, and then it will automatically create document from text on Google Docs. Now, of course, you will need to connect your Google Docs account in order to use this Zap. But yeah, that's basically it. You will just need to create a submission form on Zapier and it will automatically create the Google Docs. So here in the submission form, I will just enter, for example, the subject of the script. Let's say, for example, USA history or something like that. And then it will automatically create the document. Now, I will repeat it again. This is just for an example. The script example is just for you to understand how Zapier works, but you can do it literally for everything you want. If you have any task or any note that you want to add to your Google Docs, you can ask it to add it automatically. That's it. That's as easy as it gets, right? So you just go to ChatGPT, you ask it to create a prompt for Zapier, and then you paste it onto Zapier, you go back and forth with the chatbot, and then it will create you the perfect output. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.